Hello guys, we are going to unboxing these two Achilles, red one and black one. This one first. Let me show you. Which one is black, which one is red. I already have these two sword and shield. Yeah, orange color and black one. And you have ended two shield cut here inside, shield and sword here. Let's open first this one. Oh, the black one. Actually, the black one is most popular right now because it's high demand, as I can say, because a lot of people wanting to find it. Anyway, let's try. I'm so eager actually to open my own Achilles set, yeah, because yesterday I got Achilles set, but it's for my customer, and this time it's for me, for myself. Okay, we already seal it here, and here is, where is the shield? You take it off, everything, right? Not inside here. No, this is the shield inside already. Maybe. Let's see. We will not separate it from another. Yeah. Combine it together. Yeah, see? Achilles shield. This one is shield. And we have 1D here, black 1D. Actually, I have a lot of 1D because we don't use 1D actually here. We usually use 1S. But it's more heavy than 1D. Okay, here is our shield. And the laser is very light, you know. But yeah, very light. Then have this one. Let's clear it out first. Okay. And this one. Okay. And we are gonna open another one. This is the red Achilles. This is red Achilles. I just make it quick here, because people don't ever want to watch the long movie series with one mission. Just want to show the Beyblade. Okay, here we have dimension. I don't really like the dimension in the shear, but yeah, to do. That's what we have. Okay, let's wrapping it off first. Seal it back in the box so that we can scan it later for point and be logger. I like to collect the point, so we can use a point to play a rare battle. Rare battle. This can be solved. We have the sticker. This is for black one, and another one is for red one. Okay, move on fast. Driver, nothing to worry about driver. What is this? Why a lot of plastic? Let's see. Oh, because of 1B. Yeah, for this red one, they provide 1B. Wow, it's nice. 1B with red color. I never had the red color. I have the yellow one and orange and the blue one. Yeah, from Tempest and from what else? I don't remember. Okay, here we have it. Okay, Achilles red. Throw it there. And open this shield. Sword. Yeah, and here it is. Good. Okay, thank you guys. This is our Achilles. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.